welcome to my channel. Now here we are going to work on this problem. We are going to be working on its orthographic views, where we are going to produce the orthographic view in first angle projection. We draw the front elevation, we draw the plan, and we draw the end elevation. That is the left end elevation. And the direction of view for the front elevation is in the direction of this arrow. And for that, we are going to see this surface for the front view. We are going to see the whole of this surface. We see this circle, this circle, this circle, and then for this part we are going to see a rectangle with this hole hidden within this surface. So that is what we are going to have for the front elevation. Now let's talk about the dimensions that we have on this object for us to produce the front elevation of this object. For these three circles that we have here, we have diameter to be 15 millimeters. And then the center line of this circle, from the center line of this circle is 40 millimeters. That is distance between them is 40 millimeters. So the same thing applies to this. So the center line of this circle from this one is 40 millimeters. And then the distance between the center line here and this center line here is 50 millimeters. And we have that the radius of this arc is 15, and that of this arc is also 15, and the same applies to this. Then for this arc that we have here and this arc, the radius is 65 millimeters. Then coming to this one, we have that for us to draw this line, we have to take a measurement of 15 millimeters down the center line of this circle, and then we have that distance from here to here is 20 millimeters. So this circle has a diameter of 20, and then for us to get this line here, we have to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from the center of this hole here. So those are the things that we are going to use for us to draw the front elevation of this object. Now let's go and work it out right now. Now the first thing that we are going to do here is to draw a vertical center line. So we are going to draw a vertical center line. I will come around here. Okay, so because of the end elevation that I will draw, so we draw a vertical center line down here like this. Alright, so I will stop it here for now. Then I will come up a bit, so come up around here a bit. Then I will draw the horizontal center line. So I'll be taking it from this end to this side. Alright. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters. So take 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters from my ruler. Okay, so I'm making use of a set square. So I will take 15 millimeters. Then I will put it at this point here. Then I will draw the arc, so in form of a semicircle. So it goes like this. Alright, so I will have it like this. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters from this point, 40 millimeters from here to this side. Okay, so from the center of the circle to this side. Then I will also take 40 millimeters from this center to this side, so making 80 millimeters. Okay, then I'm going to draw a vertical line from each of these points. So I will draw a vertical center line here like this. Alright, so then I will also come here and draw a vertical center line down here. Alright, so then the next thing I'm going to do is to take a measurement of 50 millimeters down this line as we have it in diagram. So this is 50 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line through this point, from this point. So I will take it from here to this side. Okay. So here we have what? We have an arc, so of radius 15 millimeters. So I will still make use of this 15 millimeters. So this is still 15. So I'll put it here, and then I will draw an arc from here to here. Okay. Alright, so if you need to do more, so I will come back and do it later. So I just draw it like this. So take it from here to here. Alright, so now for the arc that connects this arc and this arc together, and also this and this together, the radius is 65 millimeters. We are going to apply the principle of tangency here. We are going to make use of the principle of tangency. So we are going to that 65, we add 15, which is the radius of each of this arc. We add it to it, and that will give us 80 millimeters. So we are going to take a measurement of 80 millimeters here. 80 millimeters. So we take 80 millimeters. So from here, so this is 80 millimeters. So we put at this point here, okay, at this center here. So we are going to make an arc. So make an arc here, okay. So take note of that. All right. So we also put at this point. So we are going to make an arc here, okay, where they intersect, and we also make an arc here in that same center. Then we are going to put it at this point here, okay. Then we make an arc here. So these point of intersections are the one that we are going to make use of for us to draw the arc that will connect these two arcs together and also connect this together. The radius of that arc is 65 millimeters. We have to take a measurement of 65 millimeters. So this is 65 millimeters here. Okay, so here we have 65 millimeters. So I will put at this point here. So by the time I put it here, it will touch somewhere around here. So let me position it well. So it will touch somewhere around there. I need to take it again. Probably it's a bit more than. Okay, all right. So I have this. Okay, so I put at this point here. Then it touches a point here on this arc. So then I will take it down to this point to touch this. So this is it. Okay, so you can see it. So very simple. So this is it. Then we bring it to this point here. We bring it to this point of intersection of these arcs. So we have it touching this, and then we take it down like this. Okay, so this is it. All right, so we have it. We have this done. So this is how it is in the diagram. So the next thing that we are going to do, let me bring the diagram so that we can see it. So we also have what? We have some circles here. So this circle has a radius of 15 millimeters. Sorry, diameter of 15 millimeters. And also everything here, all these three circles, they have diameter of 15 millimeters. So that is going to be somehow easy or uneasy, sorry. So because the radius is very small, but I will try to make it, to work it out. So I will just take something like, okay, let me make it 8 millimeters. So just like we have it here. So I will manage. So I will manage to draw it. Okay, so I will manage to draw the circle. So let's just try, because the radius is small. So I don't really like when the radius of a circle is small. It's somehow stressful for me. Okay, so I'm just trying. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So alright, so let me take it from this side. Okay, so we're able to complete that. Then I will take it from here. So it goes like this. Okay, so let me take it from here to this side to avoid what happened to that. So I have it like this. So let's come here also. We also draw from here. Okay, so we take it as like this. So when we complete the semicircle up here, then we also take it down and go in this direction. Alright, so we have the three circles drawn. So, and then alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so on this line, so we are going to, from this center here of the circle, we are going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters down. So this is from here we have 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters. Okay, then we take 20 millimeters down. So from this point here, we take 20 millimeters down. So this is 20. So we are going to draw horizontal line at this point. So we draw horizontal line from here, so to this side, and then so here also we draw horizontal line. So from here to this side here. Okay, so then at this point now I'm going to draw a vertical line from here down. So from this point here, so we draw a vertical line down as we have in the diagram. So this will be a vertical line. Okay, and then so coming to this side also, we also draw a vertical line down. Okay, so we have this vertical line, and then so we are going to make this line here, we are going to make it a thick line. So I will just show us all that I've done here, I'm doing here. So make this line a thick line, and we also come down here, so make this line also a thick line from here to here. Okay, so that's what we have. Then it remains, let me bring the object for us to see. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. So this surface here, so that's what we have produced here. And then this rectangle, that's what we have here. So we just need to put this there, so as a hidden hole. So first of all, we are to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from this end. So we take it to this side. So this is 20 millimeters here. Okay, so we are going to draw a center line, so through this point. So for that hole that is hidden in the front elevation, so we draw a center line down. So from here, so we take a center line down here. Alright, so then we are going to take a measurement. So the diameter of the hole is 20. So we take 10 millimeters to this side, and we take 10 millimeters to this side. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a short dashes line. So through this point, so we draw short dashes line, so like this. Alright, so we have this, and then here also we draw short dashes line. Alright, so we have this. So that is how the front elevation will look. Now let's go for the plan. Alright, to draw the plan, we are going to extend this line. So we extend this line. So we take it down here, and then so we also extend this line. So we extend this line. So we take it down, and then this circle here. So we are to draw a line. So from this point down, and then also from this point. So we take it down. So this center line, we are going to extend this center line. So we extend this center line here, like this. Okay. So and then, so for this circle, I also need to draw a vertical line down. So we also draw a vertical line down here. So we extend this center line, so we take it down here. And also, so this circle up here, so we need to draw a vertical line from here. So we take it down, and then so come here, so we also draw a vertical line, so we take it down. Alright, so for all that we have here, so we need to move a little bit down the front elevation to separate the plan from the front elevation. So we are going to draw a horizontal line from here to this side. Okay, so let me bring the object for us to see what we are to do. So the thickness from here to here is 15 millimeters. Thickness is 15 millimeters. I don't know if that is given, but I'm taking it as 15 millimeters. So then we have this surface. So we are seeing this surface, and then we are seeing this surface for the top view. So the angle between this line and this line is 30 millimeters. Okay, and then so we have that for this we have taken measurement of 20, so we have already done that. So we just have to bring out this line. Okay, so this line that we have drawn, it is meant okay, we are going to take 15, so it's going to be merged with this one. So let's first of all take that 15 millimeters. So from here we have 15 millimeters, take 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters, and then we are going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line, so like this. Okay, so then we are going to take the 30 degrees set square, 30 degrees set square. So we are going to set it. So we set it like this. Okay, so this is my 30 degrees set square. I'm making use of this one, so I can just set it. So we set at this point like this. So we set at this point. So and then we draw a line in this direction. So from this point we draw a line in this direction. So I will stop it then. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that, alright, so what we are going to do now, where this line touches this center line, okay, center line of the hole that is hidden within this part of the front elevation, so where they meet at this point. So we are going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters, so down here, so this is 20 millimeters. So we are going to create a square around here, so that's what we want to do. So I'm going to draw a center line here like this. Okay, so then I'm going to also draw a center line, so here like this, draw a line. So we have created a square of radius 20 millimeters. So I'll just put the point at this point here, then I will extend it to this point. Okay, so extend it here. So then I'm going to form an arc here. So the arc goes like this. Okay, so this is how the arc is formed. Okay, so the arc is formed this way. So we have the arc here like this. Alright, so that is the arc. So then for the circle, so the diameter is what? Diameter is 20. So the radius is 10. So we take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters. So we put the pinpoint here at the center. Okay, then so we gently draw the circle. So okay, so gently draw it. So that's what I'm trying to avoid. Okay, so you go this way and take it down here. When the radius of circle is more like this, as I said, I don't normally take it, I don't like it. So I would rather create a square that give me that circle. So I'll just leave it like this. So let's bring out the shape of the plan. So this line will be a thick line from here to here. Be a thick line from here to here. Then we also make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, so this line will also be a thick line from here to here. And then this line, so you have to make it a thick line. And then this line here, so make it a thick line from here to here. Alright, so then in this plan, so this line will be drawn with short dashes line. So this the hole that we have in the front elevation in the plan, it is hidden. Also we do the same thing here. Okay, so for this particular hole, and then this also, so make it with short dashes line. So we have this. Then the same thing applies to this. So we have this. So make it short dashes line in the plan. So it is hidden from us in the plan. Alright, so this is what we have for the plan. So now let's look at the end elevation. So with the 45 degree set square, so we are going to draw a line from this point on the front elevation, so it goes this way. Okay, so we have it this way, and then so I need to come back here in the front elevation. So I'll be drawing a line from this point to this side, and also from this point I will draw it to this side. Then coming to this point here, so I will draw a line here, and at this point I will also draw a line. So at this point on the circle, then at this point on the arc, I will also draw a line this direction. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, so also at this point here, so I'm going to draw a line in this direction. At this point on this circle, I will draw a line, and also at this point I will draw a line. So we have this. Then for the center, I will also draw this center line. So from here, so I'll draw a center line. Alright, so then I'm going to be transferring these distances. So where these lines intersect the horizontal line, where the inclined line intersect the horizontal lines that we drew from the plan. So we draw a vertical line up here. So I will come here also, I will draw a vertical line. So this line will go up. So to go up like this. Alright, so then from this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So it will just be within this part here, to be within this part. And from the center line, I will also draw a vertical center line here. Okay, so this is okay. Then coming to this point here, I will draw a line from here up. Then from here, and from here also, so I will draw a vertical line up here. So I need to extend this horizontal line. So I need to extend it. So like this, okay. Now let's bring out the end elevation. For the end elevation, so let me bring the object so that we can see what we want to do. So for this side here, we are drawing left end elevation on the right side. So we are going to see a line. We are going to see what we are going to see to be in form of L. So this will be two straight line. This will be a straight line. This will be a straight line, and that's what we have here. So and let's quickly do that. So we are going to have this line. So this line is going to be a thick line. So from here to here, okay. And this line so will be a thick line from here down to this point. Okay, then this line will make it a thick line like this, and then this line will make it a thick line from here to this end. So this line will be a thick line like this, and then this line, that is for the whole. So within this part, so we make it short dashes line, and we also make this one short dashes line like this. Okay, so for this hole that we have here, this is where we have it. So we are going to make it short dashes line within this part, and then so we also have the same thing here. Okay, okay, then up here we also have the same thing. Okay, then so we also have this, and then so we make this line a thick line from here to here. So this gives us the end elevation. This is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. As simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice it to become a master at it. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.